Hello folks, Off-Grid Bo here. As you can see, nothing's really happening, but I just checked the weather and tomorrow we are about to be dumped on. They're talking up to 2 feet of snow here at the cabin. So stay tuned through this video if you want to see the crazy snow we're about to get. I'm kind of excited, but it's going to be a long day. I think I'm probably going to get stuck here for at least a couple days without being able to really get out. The road that this cabin's on is the last to get plowed. And so, yeah. Right now, today, I'm spending the day getting stocked up on things that I may need, and I'll see you tomorrow in a second. Well, good morning, YouTube. Let's see what we got going on here. Looks pretty white. Time to get to work. Gotta get this roof shoveled off. That's why I leave this tree here. For those that were wondering. Snow is so heavy. Wet and heavy. All right, we're in good shape. I don't know how many times I have to do this, but at the moment, we're in good shape. So I feel like I've been making a lot of snowstorm videos, but it kind of is what it is. That's what's happening. We had that couple weeks where everything melted and we had, 40-degree weather. And now all of a sudden we're right back at it again. And as you can see behind me, I think you can see it. It's snowing pretty good right now. I checked the weather this morning. It's still looking like 12 to 24 inches. So it's going to be a doozy of a storm for sure. But just got to keep the weight off this roof, make some good food, stay warm, and bring you guys with me. I definitely wish is that the camera picked up snow a little better, because it is snowing so hard right now. But I definitely think I might be stuck here for a couple days. So I don't think that road's gonna have any hope. But man, what a beautiful day again. I just feel like I keep getting to relive these winter wonderland fantasies. It feels so good. Went up to my mom's for dinner the other night, and she made some amazing pulled pork. So I made sure to have her send me a to-go home bowl, and I think I'm gonna have that for lunch. That sounds amazing right now. Man, it feels good to just be sitting in here in my t-shirt, nice and toasty. If you see behind me, I mean, it's literally whiteout conditions right now. The snow is nuts. It is nuts. Yes, I'm a child. If that's not the most depressed looking snowman I've ever seen in my life, leave it to me. Hello folks, Off-Grid Bo here, and this is the day after the storm. I'm down at my father's house. I told you a couple videos ago that I try to come down and see Timmer and spend time with him every single day. Thankfully, the storm let up around 3 a.m. last night, and boy, what a difference. Hi, bud. Come on, old man. Show him your face. Show him your face. The storm let up around 3 a.m., so I was able to get out and come down here and spend some time with my boy. But kind of a weird ending to a video, but I just want to say thank you for watching. This is Off-Grid Bo. Have a wonderful and blessed day, folks. Bye. What are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Who's that? Is that you?